scheepvaarthuis, gebouwd door 6 grote Amsterdamse rederijen als hoofdkantoor. Men noemt dit gebouw ook wel het huis met de 1000 ramen.
And let's take a little ride through the canals of Amsterdam.
Le bâtiment est construit dans le style de la célèbre école d'Amsterdam et il est décoré avec des scènes de l'histoire de la navigation comme les voyages de la compagnie des Indes orientales. Il a maintenant été transformé.
Right at the beginning we pass by the Grand Hotel Amsterdam, built at the beginning of the 20th century. The city has over 100 kilometers or 60 miles of canals, and over 1200 bridges crosses the city's waterways. The city is full of historical architecture, and we are just passing by one of the towers that were part of the city's wall. Our Scottish captain entertained us throughout our cruise and told us interesting customs of the people of Amsterdam. One of them is that the city retrieves thousands of bicycles from the canal every year. Bicycles that the owners have intentionally or unintentionally thrown into the canal.
Wir nähern uns jetzt einem Höhepunkt unserer Tour. Gleich sehen wir auf der linken Seite die 7 Bodendrücken der Regulierschacht in
People live in a houseboat, and those days they were very cheap. Now they are about 700,000 euros. And you may say, well, every houseboat, for example, this houseboat here, buy a very expensive block for it. And with another bike, we call this one a station bike.
Well, whoever has 7,000 euros for a houseboat in Amsterdam will definitely get their money's worth. And imagine how much an apartment in one of these houses would cost per square meter. We are now in the modern part of Amsterdam, and this building is definitely interesting in its appearance. The cruise took about an hour, and I can say that we saw more this way than we did on foot.
Bikes, more, a lot of bikes, bikes again. Again.
Bikes and bikes.
Everywhere, just bikes. And some tree. And bikes.
Amsterdam is a beautiful and interesting city, and who knows, maybe we'll come back a few more times. Thank you for watching.
And see you soon. Bye bye.
Bye bye guys.